children. Hello. Good morning, children. How are you? How is mommy? How is your daddy? Me, I'm fine. How was your night? The night was good, very good. I'm teacher Janet. I'm going to teach in middle class pre-math, as we are going to see our work in class. Now I have already told you that I'm teacher Janet. Now you are welcome to the Angels TV Rwanda online. Now we are going in our class. Let us go into our class. Today is, who can tell us what is the date of today? Today is 4th June 2020. The date of today is 4th June 2020. And we are going to have a lesson in pre-math. We are going to have a lesson in pre-math. Okay? Have you seen? We are going to have a lesson in pre-math. And we are going to have a topic in mathematics and a subtopic. Okay? Then our topic will be numbers. It will be numbers. Our topic of today will be numbers, and our subtopic will be counting, reading, and writing numbers. Let me repeat for you. Our topic will be numbers, and our subtopic will be counting, reading, and writing numbers. And we are going to see numbers from 0 to 9. We are going to see numbers from 0 to 9. As you have seen, numbers are already in the blackboard, but we are going to start with reading numbers. Reading numbers. We are going to start with reading numbers. But before we start, kids, I have a song about numbers. Do you have any song about numbers? Oh, thank you. It resembles mine. Our song will be about numbers will be, I will use my fingers. You can also use your fingers to count them as you are singing and know numbers. 1, 2, back my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, back my shoe. Use your fingers. 1, 2, back my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Do you know the song? I know you know it. You sing it once. 1, 2, back my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Last time we will use actions. 1, 2, back my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very good. You have done a good job. Thank you very much. Now we are going to continue by reading numbers which are on chalkboard. We are going to read numbers which are on chalkboard. We have numbers from 0 up to 9. I will read for you first and then you repeat after me. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have you heard? Okay. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Okay, read them again and read loudly, class. Read loudly. I will give you very good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very, very good. Thank you very much. Now, after reading our numbers, we are going to go to another step and see how those numbers we are reading, how they look like. And here, as you see, in this side, we have our chart with different pictures. We are going to use pictures to count numbers as you are seeing them in our chart. We have different pictures in our chart. We have a flower, we have cups, we have books, we have pencils, we have girls, we have triangles, we have eggs, we have boxes, we have balls. And we are going to use these pictures to count numbers and know how these numbers we've been reading, how they look like. Okay? Very good. Are we together? Do you have any question? Okay, let us go to the next step. As you see here, as I told you, we are going to use a picture. This is a flower. Have you seen this? This is a flower. And we are going to count and see how many. Do we have flowers or one flower? It is one. Very good. You have seen it. We have only one flower. It is one flower. And you see, one is here. And I know you are going to ask yourself that where is 0? We don't have 0 because number 0 is empty. It's always empty. We don't have anything in number 0. We cannot draw any picture in number 0. Because it is empty, we can't write. We can't draw any picture when we are counting number 0. That's why we are starting with number 1. Okay? Yes, very good. Here we have one flower. One flower. As you have counted there, we have number 1, and in our pictures, we have 1. And we have a flower standing for number 1, okay? Now, let us see our number 2. We are going to use cups to know number of cups we have here on our chart. Can you help me to count? Yes, 1. 2. Yes, very good. Do you know that you know how to count? Let me help you. 1, 2. We have 2 cups. 2 cups. We have 1 cup and another cup. When we count them all together, they are 1, 2, and we have our 2 in front of our cups. Okay? Do you have any question? Are we together? Very good. Now let us see number 3. Number 3, we will use books. 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 Like those we are using to write our notes which you are taking. You are going to use books and pencils. You see I've put them there. We have books. We are going to count books. Count. 1. Come again. 2. Very good. 3. Very good. Good class. These are 3 books. We have 3 books. 1, 2, 3. As we have counted there, reading number 3, and we have seen how 3 objects or 3 pictures look like. They are 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good class. Very good. Now let us go to our pencils. Pencils. We are going to count our pencils and see how many pencils do we have in our chart. We have, count with me. Yes, 1. Good. 2. Nice. 3. 4. Very good. Do you know how to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means we have how many pencils? We have 4 pencils. We have 4 pencils. How many pencils do we have, children? We have 4 pencils. I can show you pencils. We have here pencils. We have, let me show you a sample. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. And on our chart, we have how many pencils? We have 4 pencils. You see? Now our 4 pencils are here. Let me count for you. I will put them in my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. For my have 4 pencils. How many pencils do you have at home? For my have 4 pencils. Even on our chart, we have 4 pencils. Very good work. Now we are going to see girls and count them. How many girls do we have? How many girls do we have here? Let us check and see. 1, 2, count slowly, go with me. 3, 4, 5. We have 5 girls. We have 5 girls on our chart. We have 5 girls on our chart. Can you count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you seen it? We have 5 girls. We have already seen 1 flower, 2 cups, 3 books, 4 pencils, 5 girls. Now let us go to our next number. Our next number, we are going to count triangles. Triangles. Can you count with me? Help me. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have how many triangles? Let us count again and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. We have 6 triangles on our chart, and this is our number 6. Very good. Let us go to our next number. Our next number we have eggs. Do you eat eggs? Do you have eggs at home? Oh, very good. You are enjoying. Now, me, I have them on my chart. Can you see them? Let us count and see how many eggs I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have you got the answer? Let us count again and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have you got an answer? Yes, very good. Clap for her. Our answer is number 7. We have 7 triangles. Very good. You are a good girl. Now let us go to our number 8 and our next number. I don't know, it will be number what? Let us check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you got the answer? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have, which means we have how many boxes? Who have got an answer? Yes, my girl. No. You have tried? Yes, my boy. Yes, we have 8 boxes. We have how many boxes? 8 boxes. We have counted 8 boxes. Now we have balls. Balls. This is a picture. This picture is like a ball, which I have in my office. You will come and I will give you after class. You will use this ball to play. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Let us get the answer again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have how many balls? We have 9 balls. All of you, we have how many balls? We have 9 balls. The whole class, we have how many balls? We have 9 balls. Very good. Now we have seen different numbers in our picture. Pictures. We have different pictures. We have a flower, we have cups, we have books, pencils, girl, triangle, an egg, a box, balls. Okay? And you have counted them properly and we have got our answers. Now we are going to count numbers here and we are going to compare these numbers. After counting this number, you will know, this is number 1. On picture we have 1 flower, like that, and it will help you to know how to count numbers using these pictures, okay? Now, let us start again. Remember, 0 is also a number. 0 is also a number, and it is very important. We cannot leave it behind. Number 0, we normally start with number 0. Never leave number 0 because it is empty. Even if it is empty, it is a number. And it is very important. Okay? We start with number 0, even if we don't have any picture, but that one describes 0. Because 0 is empty, we don't have any picture. Okay? Never leave 0 behind. 0 is a number. Now let us count again. We are going to read numbers after we see numbers we have on pictures as we are reading. Okay? Yes. Now let us go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, class. You have counted with me. Okay, can you count alone? Count loudly. Very good. Very nice. Bravo. Good, class. Yes. Yes. 9. Very good. You have learned how to count from 0 up to number 9. And it is very, very good. But remember, on number 0 is very important. Okay? Have you enjoyed my lesson? Do you have any question? Who can ask me? Any question? Do you have? Okay, let me summarize. Who can summarize what you have seen? Let me help you to summarize what you have seen. We have seen in our topic of numbers, counting, reading and writing numbers, and we have learned how to read numbers from 0 up to 9, and we said 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Clap your hands. Now, our next step was counting numbers using pictures. And we have counted all of these pictures. Okay? Now, we have said that we have one flower on our chart. Have you seen? This is our number 1. And we have 2 cups on our chart. We have counted 3 books on our chart. Very good. We have counted 4 pencils. We have counted 5 girls, 6 triangles, 7 eggs, 8 boxes. Lastly, we had 9 balls. Okay? Very good. Now let me see if you have got what I have taught. Have you got what I have taught? Let me see if you have got it. We are going to do our exercise. I have traced for you this table. You are going to complete this table, okay? You are going to fill this table by rewriting. Rewrite. Rewrite means to write again. It means to write again. You will write again what teacher Janet has wrote on the chalkboard, okay? You are going to write what teacher has wrote in the chalkboard. Okay? I have finished writing my numbers, and even you will write yours. Now let me help you to do 4 numbers, and you will complete the table in your free time at home. Okay? Now, remember, we learn how to use lines. use lines, they will help you to write very well your numbers. You see, we have number 0, we have number 1, we have number 2, we have number 3. Now, we see number 0 resembles which line? Who can remember? We saw different lines in the baby class. Who can remember this line? Very good. It resembles closed line. You will make a closed line in your table. Remember to do smart work. Don't darken your book. Don't damage it. Be careful, okay? Write your 0 like this, and it is like a closed line. In this space, you will write there 0, number 0, like me. Then after writing number 0, you go to the next column and see which number do we have. Very good, we have number 1. We have number 1, and we are going to rewrite number 1. We start by writing this line. Who remember this line? Very good. This is an oblique line. And we join it with vertical line to make number 1. Okay? Very good, class. Now let us go in the next number. You will complete this table. Remember to arrange your work and make smart work. And we go to our next number. This is number. Who can tell us? Yes, my girl. Very good. This is number 2. This is number 2. And when we are writing number 2, we use, which line do we use? Very good. We use curved line. We curve our line, and it is not facing in front. It is not facing up. It is not facing down. It is facing behind. It is facing Teacher Janet. Okay? When you are writing that line, face it to Teacher Janet as you see me. It is like this. First curve your line like this to write number 2. Like this. Have you seen how I have curved my line? After, you join it with a vertical line to make number 2. Are we together? Very good. And our last number will be is number 3. Number 3, very good. And when we are writing number 3, we use 2 curved lines. We join them. You start with curved line facing behind. You join it with another curved line facing behind. Did you see how it have become number 3? Can you do it in your books? Very good. Do it in your book. Before we conclude, remember our song. Do you still remember our song? It is about our numbers. It can help you to remember these numbers we have seen. Let me remind you. 1, 2, back my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Sing it to your sister, to your mommy, your daddy. Teach it to us, to your young sisters. Okay? It is a very good song. It is about numbers. After singing, after doing your